right, guys, here is your first sketchbook assignment. It is supposed to only take you 30 minutes, and I'm calling it Ink Characters. So you've each been assigned an animal already, so you don't get to choose your own, you don't get to trade. Sorry, just tough cookies. For the sake of making it quicker, I just assigned each of you your own animal. So that is posted in Google Classroom what animal you have. You have to create a unique character or cartoon of this animal. So you cannot go to the internet and just type in, if you had the bear, say, for example, you cannot type in bear and just copy somebody's. I'm going to go check so I'll know. So don't just copy someone else's characters. The character has to be done in black ink or in marker. Black Sharpie's fine. If you can't find one, just use a pencil, but press really dark. The idea is it's just really dark and easy to see. Keep it simple. The character has to be unique. You can't copy anything you find. Your character needs to show a little bit of its own personality because you are personifying, that's a Mrs. Peterson's word, this animal as if it has a personality and it can talk and it can do things that humans would do, except it's an animal. So it should look sweet, it should look ornery, it should look mischievous, it should look naughty, evil, or it should just be plain cute. That can be its personality, okay? Here's some examples of what I'm looking for. This person was assigned a rabbit, and we get this sweet little quiet, shy rabbit. Okay. This person's assigned a squirrel, and it doesn't have as much personality, but you kind of get the idea. It's home sweet home. It's a homebody. And the other person was assigned a bear, who just is somebody who just likes the simple things in life, like flowers. Okay, so that's what I'm looking for. You're expected to spend about 30 minutes. You definitely can spend longer if you want to, but it's not required. So your grade is based on, does it look like you spent 30 minutes on it? Okay. Um, Check Google Classroom from when this is due. There's all assignments, all these sketchbooks need to be posted to Artsonia, not just taken a picture of and stuck on Classroom. So post them to Artsonia. Let me know if you have questions. Good luck.